and presenter in this parallel session. Let me introduce myself. I am Imas Arumsari on behalf of our team, including Bu Oni Linda and Pak Iza Rahman. We will present our research with title Development of Winning Index on Islamic Community based on religion, nutritional, and psychological aspects. This is a qualitative exploration. My presentation will consist of introduction, objective, methods, finding, and finally up with recommendation for further studies. Let me start with introduction. Unsuccessful exclusive breastfeeding will lead to improper weaning behavior results in weakened immune system, which eventually lead to the child mortality caused by infection. Under 5 mortality still become big health concern as the rate keep on the 50 until 100 per dozen live births, especially in Asia and Africa, including Indonesia. Previous study demonstrated weaning behavior of infants mortality rate. Moreover, children aged 6 until 23 months of age who were not properly breastfed had 1.8 to 2-fold higher risk of mortality when compared to those who were breastfed. Exclusive breastfeeding itself is defined as no other food or drink, not even water, except breast milk for 6 months of life, but allows the infant to receive vitamins, mineral, and zinc. And then the exclusive breastfeeding, followed by gradual reducing solid food, which we call as weaning, while continue to give breast milk until 2 years of life. And how about in Indonesia? We'll look at the condition in Indonesia. Exclusive breastfeeding coverage tend to decrease as the age of baby increases. The data shows that exclusive breast coverage baby age 0 until 1 month is 67%, and then age 2 to 3 months decreased to 54%, and even more decrease at 4 to 5 months with only 38%, which means only 38 baby per 100 breastfed only at that age. Many health promotion strategies has been applied to cope with this problem. One of the alternatives of intervention is health promotion based on ecological model, which have been proven potential to change behavior. And specifically in the study, we will focus on a religion approach. Therefore, the objective of this study is to develop index of weaning on religion, nutritional, and psychological aspects as the tool to assess the weaning behavior in the Islamic community. Let's move to the methods. This study applied in-depth interview with structured questionnaire which involve informants from 4 aspects of expertise, which are Quran, Hadith, nutrition, psychology. We obtained the expert of Quran and Hadith from Faculty of Health Sciences, Faculty of Education, UHAMKA, and psychologists from Faculty of Psychology, expert of maternal and child nutrition, Universitas Indonesia. This study conducted on February 2020. And let's see the important findings from this study. For the concept of weaning based on religion perspective, Islam views exclusive breastfeeding and gradual weaning as a command from Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Its implementation should consider support from both parents of the child. 2 years breastfeeding and gradual weaning are considered as the best way to build emotional bonding between mom and child. In the other hand, child will see the mother as their first support for living. In the health aspect, as stated in the hadith, breastfeeding support to develop bone and muscle. When the parents decide to gradually wean the child, it is considered as support for mom's capability as Islam does not create burden. But on the other hand, Islam preserving life. Moreover, when the parents decide to do so, it should gain support from the father to make sure the mom and child have enough financial support. The concept of breastfeeding in religion perspective is in line with the nutrition perspective. We understand that there is a rule for a proper infant feeding practice. It is including 6 months of exclusive breastfeeding and continue to breastfeed until year's age. Also stated that after 6 months, the mom should give gradual complementary feeding as breastfeeding continued to do until 2 years age. Also, the mom should give gradual complementary feeding as breast milk only is nutritionally not adequate for children after 6 months old. Breast milk is important for both mom and child as it supports growth and development in the health perspective, and it creates bonding between mom and child. It is also a natural contraception for mom, so eventually it can control birth. It also gives chance for the whole family to train the child's free behavior and also to develop in the community. And then how about in the point of view of psychology? There is a common rule as well, the child feeding practice, as it is stated, that weaning should not be earlier than 6 months and should not be later than 2, 3, or even 4 years of age. This condition is also known as prolonged breastfeeding, which affects the child's dependency to the parents. In the psychological perspective, this age of proper weaning is on the optimum condition of emotional and sensory capability. As stated in the religion nutrition perspective as well, breastfeeding builds emotional bond between mom and child, and moreover, proper age of weaning will make the child feel secure and eventually train their confidence and also self-control. So as the further recommendation of the study, Indonesia as the biggest Muslim population could apply the weaning index based on this study to assess and design suitable health promotion program using religion-based approach. And also we recommend to develop index considering other religion as well. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam